Good morning, everyone. My name is Lakshmi Nandan K of class 10. I welcome you all to my PowerPoint presentation. Today, the topic of my presentation is economic sectors before and after COVID-19. Introduction. The economic impact of the 2020 coronavirus pandemic in India has been largely disruptive. India's growth in the fourth quarter of the financial year 2020 went down to 3.1% according to the Ministry of Statistics. The chief economic advisor to the Government of India said that this drop is mainly due to coronavirus pandemic effect on the Indian economy. Notably, India had also been witnessing a pre-pandemic slowdown, and according to the World Bank, the current pandemic has magnified pre-existing risks to India's economic outlook. Film industry before COVID-19. Before COVID-19, India had leading box office markets worldwide in 2020 by revenue. Leading film markets worldwide 2007 to 2018 by number of films produced. Leading film markets worldwide 2019 by number of tickets sold. Film entertainment revenue worldwide 2018 by country. Film industry after COVID-19. COVID-19 has upended the global film industry, halting film production and closing cinemas. Even before the pandemic, however, streaming video on demand (SVOD) was having a huge impact on the industry. The pandemic is accelerating the ongoing transformation in movie production, distribution, and consumption. Here is a graph which shows the economic fall of film industry during COVID-19. Agriculture industry before COVID-19. The agriculture industry in India reached a value of INR 63,506 billion in 2020. During 2019 to 2020 crop year, food grain production reached a record of 296.65 million tons. Production of horticulture crops in India was estimated at a record 319.56 million metric tons in financial year 2020. As per third advanced estimates, India is among the 15 leading exporters of agriculture products in the world. Agriculture industry after COVID-19. Pinnacle collect with no acquirement. This is the pinnacle of Rabi season in India, and yields like wheat, gram, lentil, mustard and so on were at a harvestable stage or nearly arriving at development, but they cannot be harvested. Work inaccessibility because of opposite movement. The non-accessibility of work has hampered tasks in numerous parts. Fall in costs. Rural costs have imploded because of absence of market access, including the stoppage of transportation and conclusion of fringes. shortage of public products, making the food grains, products of the soil, and other basic things accessible to shoppers both in provincial and metropolitan regions is the most basic test. Limitations on sale. There were deliberate limitations on the between and intrastate developments of renters or workers, just as reaping and related homestead machines. The following graph provides the information about the fall of agriculture industry during COVID-19. Healthcare industry before COVID-19. In 2019, India will emerge as one of the most preferred healthcare destinations among foreigners. It has been growing at a rapid pace owing to the increased investment and expenditure from public as well as private investors. From the business point of view, 2018 was an iconic year for Indian healthcare sector. A number of established multi-speciality hospitals and healthcare groups were taken over by industry giants. Healthcare industry after COVID-19. The COVID-19 pandemic has put some health systems under immense pressure and stretched others beyond their capacity. The overall response to the pandemic witnessed both the private and government sectors working in tandem. There has been an increased awareness on health insurance. India's private healthcare sector has contributed significantly and accounts for about 60% of inpatient care. The following graph provides the information about the rise of healthcare industry during COVID-19. Iron and steel industry before COVID-19. India was the world's second largest steel producer with production standing at 111.2 million tons in 2019. Steel industry and its associated mining and metallurgy sectors have seen major investments and developments in the recent past. India replaces Japan as the second top steel producer in January 2019. India was the world's second largest steel producer. Iron and steel industry after COVID-19. Steel industry lost its impressive growth. The Indian steel industry has experienced a significant revival in domestic demand since emerging from the first lockdown last year. There were also concerns over manpower and labor after many migrant workers left the country to return home during the first lockdown, with reports of a similar exodus from some states this time around. The following graph provides the information about fall of iron and steel industry during COVID-19. Conclusion. The COVID-19 pandemic has had far-reaching economic consequences beyond the spread of the disease itself and efforts to quarantine it. As the coronavirus has spread around the globe, concerns have shifted from supply-side manufacturing issues to decreased business in services sector. The pandemic caused the largest global recession in history, with more than a third of the global population at the time being placed on lockdown. There have been widespread reports of shortages of pharmaceuticals, with many areas seeing panic buying and consequent shortages of food and other essential grocery items. The technology industry in particular has been warning about delays in shipments of electronic goods. Reference. Thank you.